Good morning. It is Monday, January 23rd, and I'm going to be doing a quick test with FSD Beta 10.69.25.2 here in Columbia Heights, Minnesota. There's a right turn here out of this parking lot where there's a shoulder on the right side of the road that looks almost like a lane of traffic, and it's been a problem area for FSD and pretty much all of the builds. It was doing the right thing where it would not it would avoid the shoulder in 10.10.2, but every build really since then it's been broken, where the car will use the shoulder as if it's a lane of traffic and stay in it and not get out of it until I disengage. So we're going to do 3 passes of this and just see kind of how it does here. Now, something that could skew the test results, and I'm going to call out ahead of time, is that we've gotten a lot of snow this winter. So we may avoid the shoulder just because it can't see the shoulder until it's too late, and then it avoids it, of course. So we might be succeeding due to the conditions, and maybe when spring comes and the snow melts a bit, that might change. So anyways, without further ado, let's go for a little quick test of this route here and go from there and see how it does. All right, so we have a car on our left here. He's slowing down. We should be able to go here, and it looks like we're going to wait. So as you can see, the snowbank to our right is kind of blocking our view of that shoulder that it gets confused with. So let's see if we try to use it here. Yeah, and we're going to avoid it completely, which is kind of interesting. So not the result I expected there, but we did pass. So attempt number 1's a pass. I'm going to, like I said, come back and do that 2 more times, and then we'll reconvene at the end and see how it did. All right, this is round 2 of our shoulder test here. Let's see if I can get it to activate. There we go. We got a little opening here, and the car's taking it, which is awesome. So again, we avoided the shoulder, and again, I think it's because of that snowbank. If the car was able to see past it and see that line, I feel like it would try to enter that lane. But what's interesting now is that we're not even using the right lane. So we're avoiding the shoulder, but we're also avoiding the right lane and going right to the left lane, which, you know, isn't terrible behavior if you're trying to go straight, which we were, because eventually down this road, based upon the route it's following going to my house, it has to be in the left lane eventually anyways. So it's not the worst move in the world, but again, I think our behavior is being skewed a little bit from the snowbank. So I'm going to go back and do 1 more pass of this, and then we'll kind of summarize the results and kind of go from there. All right, this is attempt number 3 here of this shoulder test, and what we're going to be doing is coming at it from a different angle here. I don't think that will make a difference, but something to try. It's very stubborn because of the ice here. All right, we'll have a little bit of a window here once the semi passes. Another car here to our left, and then we should have a little bit of a window here. And again, avoiding the right lane. So consistent behavior each of the 3 times we've tested this. So, you know, I don't want to consider this fixed just yet. I want to come back when the snow melts, but again, it's worth a shot just to kind of see the difference in behavior, especially the environment, how it can have an impact on just route selection. I know they've been making some tweaks to planner behind the scenes, so it's very possible this issue is permanently fixed, but you know, again, we'll be retesting this in future builds here just to kind of confirm that, and hopefully as the new builds come out, hopefully some of our snow melts, because it's been interesting and causing some interesting, you know, behavioral changes in FSD as a result of not being able to see in intersections and things like that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.